Yo ninjas and Kaio! Welcome to the 2 leg swipes tutorial. I made a new PDF guide about the swipe. If you need more help to learn this move, check it out. The link is in the description. So the 2 leg swipes is a little bit of an easier version of the regular swipe. The regular swipe is usually performed with only one leg. If you spin clockwise, you're gonna do the 1 leg swipe with the right foot on the floor, starting with the right arm. So starting in this position here. For the 2 leg swipes, the position is gonna be the same, just leaning both feet on the floor. Very easy. So make sure you feel comfortable staying in this position with your hips up. Not like this, but really up high, okay? Hold this position comfortably for at least 15 seconds, or even longer if possible. If you cannot hold this position, and if it's too heavy for you to hold it for like 15 seconds or longer, it means you're not ready for the swipe. Also, try the same position with the other arm. First I did it with the right, now I will do it with my left. In my case, the left arm, the left hand is gonna be my landing hand. You should get comfortable both with the landing hand, but also with the throwing hand like this. And hold them 15 seconds each at least. Once you can hold both positions, the second step is to jump from one end to the other while staying in this position. If you spin clockwise, like me, start with the right hand, starting here. The left arm is straight, so don't bend it like this, but keep it straight already. And from here, swing the left arm and throw yourself to the opposite direction. From here to here. And then go back to the other side. From here to here. If this is too hard, try to stay a little bit lower with your hips at first. Not that much, so not totally down like this. It will be almost useless for the swipe. But stay maybe kind of like this. And try to make the jump a little smaller. To make the jump smaller, throw the hand in this way instead of throwing it in this way. So throw like this at first. Once you get comfortable with this, try to push your hips higher and try to throw your hand more in this way. Not backwards, not like a bridge in this way, but in this way here. Not like this, not like this, but in the middle, straight up. Make sure you can jump from one end to the other at least 10 times or even more. Now, you got the hips position, you got the arms position and throws. You have to learn how to push with your legs. You can start always in the same position here and do some small jumps from here. So jump, 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 jump. As you can see, my hips are still high. I don't drop down like this, so don't do this. Because in the swipe, your hips are gonna stay up all the time. You're not charging and going lower to then go up, but you're always staying high. So from here, jump, jump, jump. And also do it on the other side, same thing. From here, jump, jump, jump. Get comfortable with these small jumps as well. After you get these jumps, try to jump and turn your hips, your torso and your legs. If you spin clockwise, you have to learn this on your left hand. So on your landing hand. From here, you do a jump like this, but at the same time you turn your hips towards your left side. So from here, turn like this. Jump and turn. Now, I'm gonna put together these exercises that we just did, and we're gonna start building one round of swipe. To learn this move as efficiently as possible, you have to follow a specific plan or method, and not just practice the move randomly or following too many different tutorials. Because they all give you different information, and the training process could be a little confusing. The courses that I have created collect all the information that is very useful and structure it very clearly to make power moves easy for everyone. They also provide a training plan and some extra tips and concepts. So starting with the right hand, like this, throwing the arm, and from here jumping and turning in this way. I'm gonna show you once more, a little bit faster. When you get a little bit faster, you should start the jump while you're jumping with your arms. As an exercise, you can just try to jump from your landing hand. But in reality, when you do faster swipes, you're gonna start this jump when you are with your arms in the air. I cannot show you in slow motion because it's impossible to do. But when you are with your hands like this in the air, here you should start pushing for the jump. You will not start the jump here, but also you will not start the jump too late here. You're gonna start kind of like in the middle. I'm gonna show you once more and try to pay attention on when I start the jump. Another tip for the jump. If it's more comfortable for you, you can jump with one foot at a time, not with both feet together. In my case, I jump a little bit earlier with the left and then with the right. So when I do the jump, it looks more like 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can also start the jump in this way. For many people, it's easier because you can lift up this leg properly and then you can jump. So you can jump more in this way. But for some other people, they prefer to push with both feet together. This is up to you. Once you are able to land in this position here, all you have to do is trying to push your hips and your legs higher and try to lean the other hand on the floor in this way, almost like reaching a handstand position. Not really so high like a handstand, but try to pretend to push yourself in a handstand. I'm gonna show you how. Jump, and you arrive kind of like this. Once more, jump, and arrive like this. I'm gonna do it a little faster. Last step, after this movement, turn your hips again and land in the same position as you started, but facing the opposite direction. So if you start in this way, you should end up in the same position like this, but facing this way here, okay? In order to face the opposite direction, you should lean the right hand not too far away from you, but really close to you here, in order to turn around in this way. If you lean this hand here, it will be harder to turn in this way. I'm gonna show you. Land here. A little bit faster now. Now it's just a matter of repeating until the movement gets cleaner. At first, maybe it will look a little bit uncoordinated, but just keep going, practice hard, and you will get it. By the way, if you need breaking shoes, you can check out these ones from Dizzy. There are different colors and models. If you use my link, you will have a discount on them. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description. If you need more help for this move, make sure to check out the guide that I made, link in the description, and see you next time with a new tutorial. Yo ninjas!